what we're going to do today is take a blade off a 48 Harrier. Now, first thing to do is to take the HT lead off the plug. The second job is find yourself a piece of wood and wedge it in as tight as you can get to stop the blade from spinning. So you've got yourself your new blade. Put that to one side. Get yourself either your ratchet or your whizzy gun. Put it on securely. And carefully get the bolt out. Like so. Okay, always check the thread on the bolt, make sure that there's nothing wrong with it at all. You never know, you might need to replace that. So, once you've done that, make sure that it's all clean and the edges are not covered in string like this one is. Right, so then getting your blade, remembering that this is the bottom side and this edge here goes facing upwards to throw the grass up to chuck it into the bag. Start the bolt in by hand. Move the wood aside for now. Tighten it up, like I say, by fingertips. Then wedging your piece of wood back in again. Getting your socket. And hopefully the wood doesn't drop out. And there you go. That's a blade on a Hayter 48 Harrier changed.